Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be creating a little mom affirmation jar because we all know moms work really hard and sometimes they just need to take a moment to collect themselves, kind of refocus and kind of get it together a little bit. Yeah, but also while being really positive and kind to themselves. So I have this little jar that I got from Michael's. There was some stamps in here, so I'm just going to repurpose the jar. I took all of the packaging off of it, so it's a completely blank slate, but I think this is perfect to repurpose. I'm also going to be using the new Tombow Twin Tone Rainbow markers. So this is a new set from Tombow. It came in their VIP box, but it will also be available, I think, on tombowusa.com. And I'm also going to be using the washi tapes that came in the VIP box. So I'm going to be using those. I have a little piece of mixed media paper here to get started because I want to begin by creating a little decorative piece here for the top of my jar. So I'm going to open up these markers. And these are great because they do have two tips. So there's a broad tip and then a fine point, which is really nice. So you could use these in memory keeping, in planners, just for journaling, also whatever you want, which is really great. So I'm going to be using these. So let's see, I'm going to use, do I want to use all of these? I don't know, I kind of just want to go for traditional rainbow colors, but I do want to use the broad tip, I believe. So I have a XL blending palette here underneath just to protect my surface a little bit. And I'm just gonna do kind of doodly lines, I think. Let's do one set and then I can see kind of how much I need to space it out. So I'm just gonna be creating like my own pattern paper. Okay, so I'm going to take all these out so I don't forget which ones I used. I think those are the ones I chose, so I'm gonna go ahead and repeat this until my little paper here is all filled up with color. Alright, so there we go. It's a fun rainbow pattern, so I'm going to die cut this off screen. So here you can see the circle that I die cut out. It will fit really nicely on the top of this jar lid. So at this point, I want to go ahead and add just a little bit of decoration to this. I don't want to make it too crazy, so I'm just going to be using some stickers. I'm going to spell out Mom with these stickers. And these are from L Studio. And then I also punched out these little phrases with my Dymo label maker. So I use this one. And let me go ahead and trim these down. So I have these kind of laid out here, and I'm just gonna put the Mom here at the top, I think. Mom timeout jar. So that is what that looks like. I think it's super cute. So now that I have my little lid topper, I went ahead and adhered a bunch of the Tombow Extreme adhesive on the back. And I screwed the lid onto this little jar so I can make sure that I'm putting the topper on straight. There we go. So it'll look like that. So Mom timeout jar. Super cute. And then the idea is that I'm going to fill this up with little phrases and affirmations for my friend. If she's ever getting overwhelmed, she's gonna just open this up, pull one out, read it, and maybe it will make her feel a little bit better. So I have some more of the mixed media paper, and at this point I'm going to take my washi tapes and do strips of washi across paper a little bit and make some more fun patterns. Maybe I'll leave a little bit of space between each row of washi tape. And then some of these I won't put any washi tape on, I'll just leave them plain. I think it's a fun idea just to add a little bit more pattern into the jar itself, and it will also help tie in the colors of the lid. so pretty, so vibrant. Okay, so there is my paper. I'm gonna get my paper trimmer and trim off a little bit the excess. So it's nice and neat, and I don't have to worry about trimming each little piece of washi tape. Not really sacrificing a whole lot of paper and doing that. And I'm gonna start cutting out these little strips for my little phrases. So you can see that I have like a nice little piece here that's decorated on one side, and I can write something on the back. So I'm gonna do that for all of these. And then I will be back with the next steps. So here you can see that I've started writing down some of the little phrases that I wanted to include in my jar. So I am doing the best I can with what I have. Today sucks, but bedtime will come. I can do it. And then how can I take 5 minutes to take care of myself today? So once you've cut apart all of your strips, decorated or not, go ahead and you've written down your phrases, you can go ahead and just fold these up and create little folded bits for your friend. And I'm just going to use my bone folder just to make sure these are nice and folded. And then all you do is you open the jar and you start dumping them in. And then when your friend needs to, she can just pull one out, open it up and read it, put it back in the jar for another day. And that is how you make this little mom timeout jar. So this is my final jar. I think it turned out super cute, and here you can see that it is full of all sorts of affirmational, inspirational phrases and encouraging words for my friend whenever she's having a rough day or a rough moment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!